Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Make sure your iPhone is online and iOS is current, and that you know your Google email and password. Once ready, open Settings, tap Calendar, then Accounts, choose Add Account and select Google. Sign in using your Google credentials and grant calendar permissions when prompted, because without permission, the phone won't read your events. This first step connects the account. It's critical to allow access, so the system can list and sync calendars into Apple's Calendar app. Once the Google account is added, open Accounts again and tap the Google entry. Make sure Calendars is switched on, because that enables event transfer. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Mail, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Fetch New Data, and pick Push or a fetch interval that matches how fast you need updates. Push gives near-instant sync. Also choose a default calendar for new events and enable time zone support to keep event times accurate when you travel, because inconsistent settings often cause apparent missing events. Finish by opening the Calendar app and tapping Calendars at the bottom to ensure the Google calendars you want are checked. Unchecked calendars won't show events. Pull down to force a refresh and verify recent events appear. Then customize alerts and colors so you recognize event sources. If events still fail to sync, remove and re-add the Google account, confirm background app refresh and calendar permissions, and sign out of the Google app. These steps resolve most issues and restore full syncing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.